Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where YouTube is not working on Microsoft Edge, then here's what you have to do. First of all, search for fast.com in the search bar and hit enter. And check the internet speed because YouTube is a media streaming website and it needs good internet speed. So is it at least 10 Mbps? If yes, then click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on the bin symbol, change the time range to all time and click on clear now. After this, you can click on these three dots here, then go to extensions and manage extensions and check if there's any problematic extension here. If yes, then you can consider removing it. If this does not work either, then click on these three dots here, select settings, click on reset settings, restore settings to the default value and reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.